Alright. So we're going to start out in layouts today. Get in there. We'll just go through the module real quick, and we'll just keep doing tests as we go through. Should be pretty basic. A lot of it's going to be covered by the stare stuff, I think. So it's going to be a little repetitive, but we've got to take it for points. So we'll get going there. If I can figure it out here. So layout is a method of guiding a machining operation by marking lines, arcs, and points on a workpiece. These markings are used as reference points so a machinist knows where to make a cut or drill a hole. Layout tools. Layout work requires various types of common hand tools. These tools will be used to create marks on a workpiece, hold the workpiece, or make measurements on the workpiece. Some of your tools are surface plate, angle blocks, V-blocks, and parallels. Your semi-precision tools will be your layout die or dicom, scribes, dividers, trommel, surface gauge, combination set, center head, prick punch, center punch, Hermaphrodite Caliper, and plane protractors. And more precision tools are your height gauge, sine bar, and your vernier bevel protractors. I can't talk today. This is your surface plate. You all each have one on your desk there, so you know what it is. Surface plates provide an accurate reference surface while making linear measurements or doing layout work. Surface plates come in a variety of different sizes depending on the manufacturer. Surface plates are classified by grades depending on their degree of flatness. A for inspection, AA for laboratories, and B for layout. So you all have B on your desk. Your angle plates are used to clamp a workpiece square while doing layout. Each side of an angle plate has a 90-degree angle. Just let me know if I'm going too fast or anything. V-blocks are used to hold a round workpiece or a square rectangular workpiece at a 45-degree angle while doing layout work. V-blocks are blocks with a 90-degree groove and a U-shaped clamp for clamping a round workpiece. Parallels, y'all got to see some of these yesterday drilling your holes. Parallels are accurately machined bars that are used to raise a workpiece. Layout die, y'all already kind of know what that does. I'm not going to read all this. Scribes, again, repetitive. If y'all got it, we'll keep going. Dividers, same thing. Your trommel. This is one y'all haven't seen. Trommels are used to lay out circles and arcs that are too large for a divider. A trommel has two sliding scribers of equal length mounted on a long beam. One of the sliding scribers has an adjustable screw for setting the desired distance. To use the trommel, hone the points of the scribers on a bench stone. Set the trommel to the correct distance. Use the adjustable screw to set the correct distance. Place one point of the trommel on the center point and use the other point to scribe the circles or arcs. So it's literally just a big set of dividers that's a little more precise. It's got a fine adjust screw. Your Hermaphrodite Caliper. We went over these a little bit, I think. Justin covered them. Hermaphrodite calipers are designed to scribe layout lines parallel to an edge of a workpiece. They can be curved caliper shaped and a divider leg shaped. To use them, hone the points. Set them by placing the curve at the 1-inch mark on a steel rule and then adjust the other leg to the desired measurement. Scribe a line, placing the curved edge against the edge of the workpiece, and then scribe a line with the point on the other leg, keeping the curved leg against the edge of the workpiece. Surface gauge. Surface gauges can be used to lay out parallel lines at a desired height from the surface plate. Components of a surface gauge include a base, a scriber, a spindle, and a fine adjust screw. To use the surface gauge on a surface plate. Hone the point of the scriber on a bench stone. Use a steel rule for your measurement, and scribe out your line. And this thing's gonna freeze. Alright, so that's class for today. Do y'all still have all yours pulled up?
Mine was doing the exact same thing.
Yours frozen too?
Yeah. Mine was like 5 seconds before yours.
Okay, we may have an internet problem. Darn, that would suck. We'll give it a couple minutes and see what it does. Why don't y'all see if you can connect to the Wi-Fi on your phone, see if that works. See if the Wi-Fi just decided to go away, or...
Mine's still working, but I clicked on the wrong module and already started a pretest. I'm trying to hash it out real fast so we can catch up with y'all.
You're good.
Let's go back to it before you read stuff. Oh, wait.
So we might make it to the shop tomorrow. We'll see.
There's this hone it on a bench stone. What does that exactly mean?
So your sharpening stone in your toolbox,
Oh, yeah.
just take and kind of roll it in your fingers around it. Make sure you got a nice even point. It doesn't have to be necessarily center of it. I think I'm one slide too far, but I really don't want to go back. We're gonna see. What slide are you on? 7?
I just got super rare.
Do what?
Yeah, mine's got a super rare too.
I can't make it 6.
Awesome.
I mean, it's sort
Combination set. Let me know when yours loads. Good. Are you awake, Allie? You sure? I'm gonna go ahead and skip this slide because y'all know what a combination set is anyway. We'll just try and keep moving. This is awesome.
Yeah, the Wi-Fi dropped.
Alright, I'm gonna go holler at Justin, see if he can get IT down on or something, or figure something out.
Mine was just turned off. Alright, I lied. I fucking did.
take action now and then wait for it to fix itself though.
I'll just line set it back up.
So I know y'all aren't gonna do it. I mean, some of you might, but she's definitely not. And I'm gonna guess you're not. Yeah. I probably shouldn't say that on camera, but you know, that's cool.
Well, cancel. Said we exposed.
That you were exposed. Yeah, wrong on camera. You're being recorded.
I'm not gonna get canceled.
Oh, okay.
Then again, I don't think the camera actually catches me, so.
Why don't a couple of y'all try and restart yours? I don't restart mine because then the camera's gonna restart. We're gonna have 2 videos for the day. Just 1 or 2 of you, not everybody at once, in case it does decide to work. I think Justin's calling somebody.
Need book backup.
We don't have a book for this, so that's great. No, that book's for different modules. Does everybody have the book? Do you have the book? Okay, well, I'll get you a book.
It seems to have some similar information, like on the drill one, I actually had to look in the book.
For the drill sharpening?
Well, just for the drill press, the entire thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there will be some similarities to it. It's based off of the book. I don't know. Immerse is new to me. We didn't use it when I was in here. We used strictly the book and something else. It was like an access code you had to buy from the bookstore for some modules. And then it was separate from your tuition. It was like $300 and nobody used it. So now it's just included in your tuition. That's what Immerse is. It's included. So y'all don't know you're paying for it, but you're paying for it.
I got government paying for mine. so-
Right. Yeah. That's the way to do it. Do y'all have my email if you need to, like, let me know you're not gonna make it in or anything? Is it listed on there?
Oh, I won't be here Thursday.
That's tomorrow.
Yeah, I won't be here tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
The 8th. I'm gonna be here the 8th.
The 8th? What is the 8th?
It's gonna be a Thursday.
8th is a Wednesday. Yeah, because it's the first and it's Wednesday right now.
When's my appointment on Tuesday?
So you're telling me you're not gonna be here Tuesday?
No, my appointment's Wednesday.
Okay. I will not be here the 27th and 28th, if it counts for anything. But you all will still have class. We'll figure out something with Justin. Other than that, I should be here for the most part. It's just still being really slow.
Just do it on my phone.
I mean, we could do that if y'all wanted to. It'd be kind of tough, but
It's not exactly the best on the phone.
we'll give Justin a bit to call somebody. I wonder if I can print a couple of prints, if it's going to let me do anything at all. It loads a new tab phone.
They'll hide stuff in the notes and stuff. I don't know. The ankle of the
Let's see, who doesn't have a print for the tap guide? I know, 1, 2, should be 2. I'll get those printed off here in a bit. I maybe Immerse's website because the portal and Canvas are working fine. Do what?
I got everything else to work.
Yeah, I think it's just immersive. I'll text Justin because that's gonna make a big difference.
I'll try it on my phone and just like spam it around. See if I can get it to split my phone.
Y'all just decided to overload it this morning and it didn't want to deal with it, I guess.
DDoS. Set it down.
Are you in on your phone?
It's trying to.
So it's just immersive?
I think it is, yeah. It's not even letting me like log in.
I sent him a message, but he's not opening it, so. This could be awesome. Because we really need to go over this stuff before we go work on the next project. We can cut material. That's about it.
Looks like we're gonna have a 6-hour lunch.
I mean, that's cool with me. I can go home and go to sleep.
Are you printing out the print?
I'm trying, but it's not want to work either.
We gotta give you our parts today that we made.
Yeah, we can do that here in a little bit. I'll work on those. I'll probably grade them at home and bring them back. Do what?
That way everyone gets the readings out, just in the classroom. Everyone gets.
But trust me, I'm pretty sure mine's the shittiest.
I honestly don't know.
They're both bad.
Everyone fails. You all go home and think about what you.
If y'all fail the T-slot cleaner, I'm worried for you because it was 20 thou tolerance.
I think my tolerances were okay enough except for my hole.
I think so. And whole location's not that critical.
I know I jacked up some stuff.
Actually, let me see if I can see the grading rubric or whatever the heck it's called.
We got calibers, we can find out.
It's a little impatient when like sawing though.
So there's not a rubric, so I will have to make one. Or find one somewhere.
We're gonna bring the class average down by full 10 points.
Yes.
I'm gonna go holler at Justin and tell him it's just immersive. Everything else is working fine. See what he thinks we make. Is everybody got any safety glasses today?
Yep.
May just go get some material.
Drop this cutter off, I'm just gonna drive back home and take it down myself. And then I got a long plastic cutter, like I said, we will get back into the shop. to, just start consuming it.
Yeah, that's how you learn. Gotta learn.
Go back to like the medieval times, you know, when they had to find out if it was poisonous or not, they just had some poor sap eat it.
That's my dream job right there.
I really hope this test goes through, I don't want to take it again.
Which one was it?
Precision measure one, I think.
How are you gonna let me take it
If it doesn't let me take it again, then it must have gone through, right?
You don't even need to take that one?
I took it, I think, for 5, 105.
Oh.
A lot of it was the exact same. It makes me realize that I'm very bad at reading imperial.
Still nothing?
Yeah, no.
Alright, Justin is contacting them now. So everybody's go ahead and leave this, log out, whatever. I will get these other prints printed real quick, and then we will go cut material for the next project. And track from there. So what else have your C-file or your typepad, right?
Yep.
I'll just make a copy instead of on my computer. Guess I can turn the camera off.